微信，
微信吗？
对。
We're going to start with WeChat. WeChat, or WeSing as we call it, is a Chinese instant messaging, social media, and mobile payment app developed by Tencent. First released in 2011, WeChat now has over 1 billion monthly users. WeChat has become the app for everything, mainly because of its functions, from live streaming, daily communication, payment of daily commodities, and a lot of other things. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can use WeChat Pay and Alipay in China and abroad. I want to give a big shout out to my return subscribers and a big thank you to the new ones. Your encouragements mean a lot to me. If you're watching my video right now, my name is Duke, aka Duke. There are two methods of using WeChat Pay. First, you top up the wallet and then you use the money in the wallet through WeChat scanning QR code. And secondly, you connect your bank cards, then directly use the money from your bank card to make payments. In the second method, it is widely used. At the beginning of 2023, foreign credit card holders can now use WeChat Pay, and they could connect their credit cards, international cards, through WeChat Pay. How can you connect your bank cards, credit cards to use WeChat Pay account? First, you will need a good phone because WeChat takes a lot of space when you start using it. And secondly, you have to upload your passport for the verification process, and you need your telephone number throughout this process. Now, let's dive onto the dashboard as I drive you through the whole process. Hi guys, welcome to my dashboard. Here we have Alipay and WeChat, and here I put them together because it's much easier for me to use. Like I said before, these two apps are quite similar and I use them every day. Let's go together. So you click on WeChat and you can find chat, contact, discover, and me below. So I'm already on me, and that is where you need to go. So here we have pay and services. So we click pay and services. That is if you want to connect your bank card. So you'll find money wallet, and for the money section is for those who already have their bank cards connected and they need to pay for things that they probably bought online, or they just need to make a payment. But for you connecting your bank card newly, or for someone adding a new bank card, you will need to click on the wallet. Here I have some little amount of money left on my wallet, which shows that I have been using WeChat Pay. So we click on wallet, and there you'll find balance bank card. So you click on the bank card. So you will see that I already have a bank card on it, but if I need to add a new bank card, I can still do that. And for you doing it for the first time, you will click on add a bank card. So we click on that. Immediately we'll have this section that says add a bank card, enter payment password to verify identity. So I've already created my password because I did mine before. And for you doing it for the first time, you will need to create a new password, and you to fill in the bank card's numbers, or you take a photo of it and the system automatically reads the card. And after that, you are good to go. You just press done. But I want to let you understand that if you haven't done the verification of your WeChat, you might not be able to get the WeChat Pay account. And for that, you need to upload your passport and make sure that the names on your passport and the names on your bank card matches. If not, you might not be able to use the WeChat Pay. So after doing that, you go back to this place where it says balance. So here you'll find top up and withdraw. Top up is for you to put some money on your wallet from your bank card, and withdraw, if there's money, like I have some money here, I can withdraw this money into my bank card. So guys, that's that for the WeChat. Guys, let's go to Alipay section. Like I told you guys before, I use the China mainland version of Alipay. You guys out there might want to use the international version, which is also very easy for you to connect your bank card. So I click on Alipay, and when you click on Alipay, you will see down here you will find home, fortune, video, message, me, and you click on me. And when you go up in the middle, you'll find bank cards. You click on bank cards. You see that I already have bank cards connected on my Alipay. But what if I need to put a new bank card? I'm going to go to this plus sign at the top of it, at the top right side of it. Click on it, and it will automatically open for you to fill in your bank card. So when you fill in your bank card on it, you can now make a password, and finally have your Alipay account. Mind you that you can also use Visa card, MasterCard, Union Pay for it. Also, you need to make sure that your Alipay is verified. Upload your passport and telephone number, and this information needs to match with those ones on your bank card. If the telephone number doesn't match, the names are opposite, you might not be able to use Alipay. So after doing all of this, you click add and you are good to go. If you don't mind, please help the channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. It's free of charge. WeChat and Alipay are quite the same, but WeChat is more convenient in the sense that there is an instant messaging section. All your world could be on one app. On the other hand, if you're outside China and you want to buy things here in China, Alipay could be the best. The app has a dual section. It has the China mainland section and the international section, depending on which one you want. But I think all the sections are quite the same. WeChat